So there we have it. The bike runs properly at the idle, but at the high RPMs it doesn't run. It's black smoking, and it's running rage because if you try and add a little bit of fuel inside the carburetors, it will bog down even more. I check the timing, I check the spark, I check the woodruff key on the crank itself. I revised the float balls, I set them lower, I adjusted the air fuel mixture screw on the bottom, as I said. Main jet is the jet that belongs into this bike, 102. The number of the jet is 102, as it should be. So I don't know. I think the carburetor is tired after all those years, and it just needs to be refurbished, rebuilt. The motor on the tape will sound a little bit finicky because the vents are off and the little flaps inside the vents make the horrible noises. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it a little bit at least. If you want to support the channel, give this video a like or thumbs down and subscribe for more. We will have to wait to another bike to come around, and the Peugeot, I will be doing a series hopefully next week or week after that. I'm kinda lazy right now, so stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Be safe out there. I'm out of here. Bye.